Today, we're headed to ELYU. It's time to take a quick 24-hour getaway from the hustle and bustle of Metro Manila and head 6 hours north to San Juan, La Union. On this trip, I'm being accompanied by my generous cousins from Chicago. Thanks for hooking up, bro. You the real MVP.
Here's the main man with the muscles
and the checkbook.
What's up, everybody?
Damn.
At this point, we arrived a little too early to check in, so we explore the beach and see what La Union has to offer.
Yo, guns are illegal in the Philippines, bro.
Bro, Tagalog.
Tagalog. English.
He's single.
Ooh,
oh, shit.
single.
Sorry, Nicole.
Oh,
At long last, it's finally time to check in. Check into what could possibly be the most awesome hotel ever. I'll let my cousin Adrian tell you what's up.
shit. Tell us where we're about to go.
Bro, we're about to go to the squatters area, bro.
MTV Cribs.
Come follow me. But first, check out the view.
Woo!
And the pool. And the pool.
Woo!
Dude, man. Oh my god.
Let's put our stuff away. We're about to eat some breakfast. We're literally the only ones here at this hotel. There's no one here. And he's awesome.
You guys want to meet John Wall?
The Filipino version.
Filipino version?
John Pader.
There you go. John Pader. Right there.
John Pader.
Shout out to all my fans.
Oh,
If there's any.
Cheers. Oh, shit.
Oh, oops.
Lasing na kayo. We eating good. We gonna nap after this. We hungry no more. One pa
Let's go, John Wall.
Juan Pader.
Go. Dunk.
You're not really in the Philippines unless you see an empty basketball court and play in your chinelas.
We're about to play basketball.
Hey, skins and shirts.
2-on-2. We're about to lose.
Six lang.
After giving it my all in the basketball court, it's time to cool off in the awesome swimming pool. No pun intended.
Hi, ladies.
That was a big ball. Let's see Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty, sleeping. 2 hours later, we find ourselves on another adventure. The receptionist at the hotel recommended doing a hike to a nearby waterfall. Quick note, you must first register your group at the local police station and pay any tourism fee at the Treasury office. I'm sitting on top of a tricycle at the moment, and we're going. It's gonna be interesting. I'm trying not to fall. What the f am I doing with my life? Also note, in order to get to the hiking area, you must hire a local tour guide and take a 15-minute tricycle ride to get there. Riding on top of the tricycle, optional.
Here you go. He's doing the cliff diving. Oh no, track diving. All right, one. Hey! All right.
Once there, be prepared for a 2 to 3 hour round-trip hike through muddy hills and rivers.
Saan tayo, kuya?
Vlogger ito, sir. Okay pala, sir. Vlog nyo number ko.
Sige.
Sige.
The hike itself isn't too demanding, but the heat and humidity will definitely make you question your life decisions. However, don't worry. There's cliff jumping along the way to help cool your soul.
So much cardio, bro.
Wala namang bala sa...
Thunder.
Refreshed and cooled off from the river water, we gather our remaining stamina to take the final push to the waterfall.
Hey, I'm Rolando Comos. Andito po kami sa Tangadan Falls. This is my guest. Alright! Itong lugar po na ito, Tangadan Falls. Tangadan. Tapos yung pangalan ng Tangadan. Ang barangay din niya to, Amuntok.
We just got back to the hotel. Awesome hotel. Awesome guy. I'm so tired. We're gonna eat lunch-ish. Then we're gonna take a nap because I can't feel my legs. We just got back from the falls. We're here again eating.
Can't keep my eyes open.
Getting fat.
Very
hungry.
We're just waiting for our food.
Too big.
Cheers to water, guys.
Too big.
Cheers to y'all. Oh, okay, damn. We barely woke up. It's 10 p.m. We took a 3-hour nap. It's time to go. We're only here for a little bit because my cousin's graduating. We gotta be back in Manila by 7 a.m. So we gotta pick up the pace.
It's time to turn up, though. Where we going, bro?
Damn, you want me now?
Want a Jollibee?
Oh, you want to eat first?
Want a Jollibee? We're gonna drive back to Manila.
KJ.
Looks like our 24-hour getaway is coming to an end, and it's time to return to Metro Manila. Before this episode finishes, I just want to take the time to personally thank those of you who watch my channel. You're the reason I do this, and y'all are the real MVPs. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to do so. I'll be posting a new travel vlog every week, so stay tuned. Until then, I'll see you guys on the road again tomorrow, guys.
Just got back from La Union. Now that was a day trip. I'm so tired. Tiring, but fun, but tiring. Alright guys, that's the end of today's vlog. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you click thumbs up. Also share. With that being said, I will see you guys on the road again tomorrow, guys. Good night. I just want to say thank you if you made it this far. You the real MVP. But since you're still here, you might as well click on that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. I'm waiting. I got all day. I literally have all day. I quit my job. I quit my job. I quit my job. I'm literally waiting for you to click that subscribe button.